Hey everybody, it's time for the last lesson of the year. How crazy is that? So what we're going to do today is solving trig equations. I've got one for you here. Let's say that we want to solve the equation 2 sine of theta minus the square root of 3 equals 0. And you're looking for all of the solutions. Where theta is going to be in the interval going from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward. And you see I do have my unit circle off to the side. I am going to need that. Okay, so you're going to solve this like an ogre, just like you normally would. You find the most outside term, and that's the one that you undo. And here I get that the sine of theta would have to equal square root of 3 over 2. This is when I would pull out my unit circle, and I would find where is the y value equal to the square root of 3 divided by 2. And I can see it happens right here and right here. These two will not be solutions because they're negative. We do want the positive out of this. So I'm going to be able to tell that my theta will equal, what is that? 60 degrees, which is the same thing as pi over 3, and 120 degrees, which is the same thing as 2 pi over 3. This was in radians, so you want to make sure that this is in radians too. So, for whatever reason, they have their unit circle set up so degrees and radians are on different circles. Alright, let's try another problem. So we're going to do 2 cosine theta plus the square root of 2 equals 0 on the interval 0 to 2 pi. This is a way of saying the same thing as 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than 2 pi. When it's got the square brackets, remember, it's got the equal sign. When it's got the rounded brackets, no equal sign on that. Alright, so solve it like an ogre. Okay, oops, clear. I'm just going to use this one. So I've got cosine is equal to the negative square root of 2 over 2. Your cosine's negative, so that means the x value is negative. That happens on the left side of the graph. I see it right here and right here. So that means that your theta is equal to 3 pi over 4, and your theta equals 5 pi over 4. So let me know if you have any questions on those.